Hello everybody, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Chimex here again, and on this episode it's gonna be a vlog about my activities. I'm looking all dapper, shirt tucked in. I have an important meeting today. I have some guests coming from abroad, real original cash people. So today I have to represent, take them, around, show them some places, sign some business deals and all that. But first, I have to change this thing. I don't know what this will use Samsung. I don't know what's up with you guys, but I feel like Samsung needs to refund me. So I was just chilling. I had too many things in my hands. I said, all right, let me put my keys in my pocket. All right, let me put my keys. I had my phone, my wallet. I was checking out some goods and stuff like. All right. Let me just put my keys in my wallet, and boom! Within the next 5 minutes, bro, everything just went. All right, it started a little bit down here. Ink. I saw a pink line like this. Then on getting up this morning, bro, it's on, but you can't even see anything. Like everywhere filled with ink. So I'll be changing this today. It's gonna pain me because I don't have money, but I'm just gonna use the little I have because I can't do without my MTN SIM card in the phone. So without much talking, bro, let's just dive into the business of the day. Everything I do today will be unfolding to you guys, and see you soon, bro. Bye. Hey guys, so many of you guys might be wondering the energy. Why so much energy, guys? It's not easy, man. We made it to 2K, like 2K subscribers. Something which started as a joke, It was just a joke, or this YouTube thing, my brother. I'm telling you. If you check out my first videos, it was just batch of me going to different places and just pick them and join them. But you guys showed me love and really appreciate me. And over time, I think I got better. For the love has been mad. Like, it's been intense love, appreciation. I've met new and amazing people. I've worked with people whom I never imagined I could work with. I'm starting up something which is really interesting. I'm going to update you guys soon. And so far, man, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart. Many more amazing contents coming your way. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I'm just heading now to meet some clients, and from there I don't know what's up, but I'm just going to try to update you guys and keep telling you guys thank you. It's really been challenging also because I'm using my phone to vlog, and most of the times I run out of space, and the clips I promised to bring you guys, I end up deleting them, hoping to film them some other time because I need space to download the new clips I just edited and upload it to YouTube. So those are one of the challenges I face, but I'm pulling through. And also I'm not able to use my mic. A brother of mine got me a mic, and since then I've not been able to use it because I can't. It's not compatible with my phone. So pardon my audio quality, guys. Pardon my audio. And it's a really good mic, and it can only go with the camera. So for now I'll be using my phone till I get a camera. So guys, I'm saving up for that. It's gonna be mad. All right, guys, see you guys soon, and thank you, man. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Excited. I feel like doing giveaway. Should I do giveaway? So if I'm doing giveaway, what are some of the things I can give out? Credits, because you guys need data to watch my content. Credit. I need suggestions, guys. I need suggestions. So tell me what you think I can do for a giveaway. I've never done a giveaway, not like a public giveaway. I've never done a public giveaway. So I'm new to this. So tell me, give me ideas. I beg, give me ideas on how to do giveaway. And if you want to support my giveaway, I'm open for support and all that. Guys. See you soon. are at Rompon right now, and this particular spot you are seeing here, this used to be the park for bikes. Like, so many bikes will just park here, taking people to to Bonaberry. For those of us who usually take bikes to Bonaberry, this is where we drop at Rompon and then we take a bike from here. But now the council people have driven all of them, like told all of them to get out of here. That's why Rompon is free now. From now on, you see Rompon is free, because these bike people cause a lot of traffic. Yeah. Bikes are good, same as bikes are bad, because without these bikes, man, these people will not have jobs and anything to do. They'll just be straying around, causing havoc to the society. Cameroon. So we're going to be using the ancien route. This way is known as the nouvelle route, but now we are using the ancien route, because that nouvelle route usually has traffic, like mad traffic sometimes. The garage now, garage man, they want to tell me some rubbish. They stole something from the car. They stole these lights from the car, so I need something to replace it with. Driving in Douala is really a struggle, because when you park somewhere which is not safe, you don't know the things that can be taken away from your car. So they remove these lights from the car, and I don't decide to say, okay, I need to buy a new one. I do just fabricate something and replace it there. Yeah. So I did garage now. I tell this guy 2 days ago, say me do so now I never done it. Tell me how we go for carve spray I don't think me go bring me the carving thing, man. See You don't put, I don't know who don't take them.
If you let me a number, come on.
Take my number now. Like, it's bad.
Welcome to Boya, the city of legendary hospitality. Ask me how I found myself here. I won't be able to tell you. But we move, we go anywhere, everywhere.
Tuesday working on day, so everybody is leaving to go and spend time with family and stuff like that. So just either ask somebody who is in
Go your position for snap that phone and put our station full with there.
You understand now?
I feel.
The Chimex man.
Yeah. How much one than this? Pro Max them. XS
one.
See my phone, what I use them. I put phone inside my pocket, key go press them yesterday. Or this morning time it's already black, I seen. Sorry, so now we had to get my phones. Everything phone from Cameroon, original iPhone, imported from America. All that phone taxes being cleared, everything. Now they plug this. So, yeah, man. Blue Empire, everything, bitcoins, real estate, phone, car rentals, all things, man. You show me the way. Show me route, show me route.
So the CEO of Blue Empire is about to give us some tips about knowing what phone to buy and how to buy your phone. So very, very attentive.
So what's the difference between grade A phone and grade B phone?
Grade A phones basically like almost brand new. Like brand new condition, mint condition, perfect battery health, perfect state, everything perfect. Grade B now are like used phones, be it home or abroad, you get.
Okay.
If it's grade B, it means the phones have been used.
Been used, okay.
Yeah, like you can see.
But it's still clean.
Still clean. Perfect working condition, but used.
Okay.
Now grade A like this, then we have this way to check the authenticity of the phone. If the phone is actually from Korea or from America or from Dubai or from China, you come like for iPhones it's simple. You come on the about, you see the model name iPhone XR. The model number now is there. You see it ends with LL/A.
Okay, LL/A.
LL/A, that's America. If it's Korea, it's going to be KH/ maybe M.
Okay.
Now, if you want to verify if your phone is an American phone, all you need to do is to Google this model number. That's the model number. And we'll do Google. Right now, I just have to impute this number. This model number. I'll go with black. That's the phone is black.
Okay.
Yeah.
Straight up.
So if it's Korea, it's going to tell you it's Korea. If it's Japan, Dubai, whatever, it's going to show. It's that easy.
So the phone I got, I had to check my serial number to make sure everything was fully paid, all duties cleared, and original from the maison de Apple.
I hope I don't hear from the man himself. Avoid to buy phones. So anyway, so, some are good, but well, I don't know, man. I never use me to buy phone. I don't know. My phone is ready.
Yes.
All right, man. iPhone 5, iPhone all day, every day. Team Apple.
So Blue Empire is located directly opposite Presbyterian Church, Moliko. Presbyterian Church, Moliko, directly opposite. There you have the office of Blue Empire. They deal with everything: phones, real estate, car rentals, bitcoins, you name it. So he is your plug. Currency exchange. If you need clean notes to go on Faruti, this is the guy. So yeah. So when you come to Boya, you need to try out the traditional meal known as Ndeli bread and some kanda sauce, skin and cow hide. So yeah, I got that street food. Yep.
Give me one. My taste and first 200. Put some more pepper there. Put some more pepper. Just tap them on top. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Right. Okay. I mean, only 3. 200. Wow.
Jerusalem, Dakwao, Masa, Masa, Dakwao. Ale, ale, Dakwao, Engele, Chello, Jerusalem, Dakwao, Masa, Masa, Dakwao. Ate Kuntan, Engele, Chello, Wampa, Asango, Filimbongwe. Dobe Kiana, Papa, Wedi, Ate Oe, Sango, Filimbongwampa. Yes, what Chella, Sango, Mboa, Ate Dangwa. Sumina papa engele chelle wampa puntano yeso chelle wampa ya komato puntano asango fili puntano adote dangwa ombo wango puntano asango fili puntano adote dangwa Atense pire witeleli mama Francis Kambole obambulu mamelenta
Free doctor.
Edu bebe no wasango wadiada mwange me chatangwa emono wambana zoga chama yo na madam zogo kan mwange matumanga na dichi Rata ori channa se role bu kamera
Now, mommy time. Happy New Year. Same to you. Welcome.
Thank you.
You already buy all the one there?
Guys, you can imagine this woman was giving us one fish like this for 8,500. The least fish here was 7,000. Like no joke, 7,000.
Yeah, so there is a bit expensive, so we're not flesh.
So we left down beach. We cannot buy a fish for 7,000, even if we pick money for 3. We came to Middle Farms here and bought chicken 115 with tapi tapi. So after having that delicious chicken, we went to show support to one of our sisters who lost the mom. So we are at the wake keep now, and everything is going on great. My Limbe people, I guess you guys know this bar known as Area Code. One of the most popular bar in Limbe. So we went there for a bit of chill and Good morning, my people. Hope you had a lovely night. Yes, I did. I just woke up with a little bit of hunger. Yep, so I went to get some items I needed for the day and also get some food. And I saw this woman doing akara and I was in love with it. I haven't tasted akara in ages. So I got some. It was really, really delicious. Yep. I beg, does akara go with bread? Because when I got home, they were telling me I should have bought bread to go with the akara. I'm like, bread? So I will end this vlog here for today. I feel like it's already too long. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.